Okay, this video is over 8.7 linear inequalities. And so I'm going to cover a couple of things before we start the assignment. When we're talking about inequalities, we're talking about our less than, greater than symbols. And when we have the less than, we shade below. If it's a greater than, we shade above the line. Also, if it's a less than or greater than, these guys have a dashed line. So it's not, if it's on that dashed line, like this 0, 3, it is not part of the solution. The other symbols we have is a less than equal to and a greater than equal to. Again, we still shade below on the less than equal to. We shade above on the greater than equal to. But these lines are going to be solid. And those are part of the solution. So we're going to go ahead and get started. On number 1, we have the graph. This graph goes with number 1. And we got 4 ordered pairs. This one is on the dotted line, but it's not part of the solution because it is dotted. The one that is in the shaded region, that is part of the solution. So we're going to type in here, parentheses, 3, comma, negative 8, close parentheses, and it's a point. So you have to put the parentheses, the X and the Y in that order. Okay, now number 2, we're going to use a calculator to solve this because they won't always draw the graph for you. So we're going to go ahead and go new. We're going to go new, but I'm getting a calculator. So add the calculator. And now here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my true and false to determine what this answer set is. Now, this is one of those trick ones where they use the word not. See, they're using this word not. That means that I want a false reading when I do this. So when I go to do this, I'm going to type in my 5, parentheses. I'm not typing in X. I'm going to use the ordered pairs for my X and Y. So 2 is my X, close parentheses, and I put minus 2, and I put parentheses. My Y goes inside, 8, close parentheses. And now I have to get this symbol, less than or equal to. The way we get that is we press this control, hit the equal sign, and then my options come up. The one I want is less than or equal to is this one, and it's negative 18. I hit enter, and I get a false. So the very first one is false. Remember, if it says not, then I'm looking for false. So I go in here, and that's the one I'm going to put. Parentheses 2, comma 8, close parentheses, submit. Good work. Make sure we hit submit. Okay, when I come over here, this is which ordered pair is in the solution set. So it does not have the word not. So I'm looking for true. So I'm looking for true on this one. So I come over here. I'm going to type this new one in. So I got 6. They also switched up the X and the Y. You got to be careful. They try to trick us with this. So this Y, so I'm actually going to type in 1 first. Then I put my minus 9, parentheses. Then now I'm going to put my X, which is 6. Close parentheses. And the symbol is the greater than. So I hit my control, equal, pick the greater than, put my 15, hit enter. Let's see what we got. It's a false. So this guy is false. Yes, okay. So let me write in here.
With the following teachers, please come to the counseling conference room to pick up your testing materials. Ibarra, Hernandez, Van Linsbeth, and Perez. Please come to the counseling office, or counseling center, to pick up your testing materials.
Okay, now I'm going to check in the next one. Now what I'm going to show you here is a little shortcut. When I go, if I highlight and hit enter, it puts it all in. So when I go in to put my new X value, which happens to be 4, I put it there. I'm going to put my Y value, which is 2. I put it there. I hit enter. False. Now I'm going to do the next one. Again, I go up. When it highlights, I hit enter, and then I'm going to replace the numbers I want to replace. My X is 0, and my Y is 3. Hit enter. True. I got my true. So there's my answer right there. So I go here, and I'm going to type in 0, 3, submit. Good work. Now, the next one is a solutions, and the X is first. So here we go. So I'm going to come here, put my 5, parentheses, 11, close parentheses, minus 13, parentheses, and put my Y, which is negative 4, close it. Then I'm going to do my control equals. I want my less than equal to, and then I put 61, enter, false. So I don't pick that one. I go up, up, enter, copies it for me. Now my new Y is negative 12. My new X is 6. Put in my 6. Hit enter, false. So I got to do it again. Go up, highlight it, hit enter. Get my new Y, which is negative 7. My new X is negative 6. Enter, true. There's my answer. So I come over here, parentheses, negative 6, comma, negative 7, close it, submit, good work. Now when we get to 3 and 4, it's a little bit different, but make sure you put the Y and the X where they go. Number 5 is a solution, so you're looking for true. Number 6 is not, so you're looking for false. Make sure you keep that straight.